All right, so for week three of second quarter, we're already approaching the almost a third of the way there through the second quarter. Um, for Monday and Tuesday, number one, we went through and downloaded the TestNav app on your iPad. If you are going to be absent, you don't need to worry about that. But on Friday for AMB Day Fridays, now we're going to spend a little time using our Aspire program to prepare for the test, just as a heads up. The other thing is I need you to go to the Shmoop tab right here on Canvas, click on it, and it's going to pop up. On yours, it's going to say choose school. You're going to choose Gunnison Valley High School and then create an account. And then you're going to hit join classroom. And when you join the classroom, here's your password, D448F. And then the username is my email, or the teacher's name. It's landon.burke@sssanpete.org. Everything needs to be lowercase as far as that's concerned, whether it's the code or my name in the email. And make sure you do sssanpete, not m.sssanpete or whatever you guys have. And then you guys need to make sure you are caught up on the reading and fill out the study guide and vocabulary words as we go forward. I am hoping after Monday and Tuesday we are close to finishing chapter 2, if not done with chapter 2. So I would read chapters 1 and 2 and complete your study guide up to there. I'm going to go back. So that's what you need to do for Monday and Tuesday. On Wednesday, if you haven't done it already, you need to make sure you finish the study guide. What does it mean to be human? So finish this discussion. And when you finish this discussion, I want you to keep in mind this discussion will help you complete your final essay for this quarter. The topics that we're going to cover all relate to our essay topics. So what you do now will help you going forward. And if you get this in before Wednesday, I might have a grade for you and you can adjust beforehand. The next thing, your IXL sections, and these are actually due, okay, I listed them twice, didn't I? Okay, so I'm not assigning any new ones, but your IXL sections from last week, M1 and P1 and 2, are due this Friday. If you were gone on a quarantine or for whatever reason and you have questions, please reach out and let me know and we'll figure things out. I have included instructions for those in previous videos, just so you know. The other thing on Wednesday, so we're really going to go over the novel Death Watch, but we're also going to finish up our journals and turn those in. Those need to be turned in by Wednesday. You should have one journal on a survival plan in the desert and a second one for a scary story. And then on Wednesday, we are going to try and finish up chapter 3. And with chapter 3, we're gonna try and finish things up, but for A Day, we're gonna try and have the study guide due on Friday. We will have to see how that goes with our schedule and lining that up. B Day will probably be next Tuesday for the study guide being due. The next thing in your study guide, have I created? Yep, right there. You can turn it in by taking a picture of it or in class. I would take a picture of it. Some of you forgot to do that last time and you had issues finding it. So take a picture and submit it that way. And then here is the upcoming discussion board. So on Friday, if you're absent, just come in and talk to me. We are going to take a Spire benchmark exam is what it's called. It's in the same format of your end of level tests. And if you're gone, don't stress about it. I will give you time to come in and make it up. And I'm not going to hold you really accountable. I'm actually going to add it on as extra credit. But yeah, just be ready for that. And then our next discussion post, if you recall, our discussion posts relate to our essay. This discussion board talks about all of these accidents or wilderness accidents that are taking place in the United States, particularly Utah. A lot of people are getting in accidents or are faced with similar situations as Ben is, not with a crazy guy chasing him with a gun, but just alone without supplies. And because Utah is such a high tourist population, our search and rescue teams are stretched very thin. So how can we approach things differently so these people are rescued more efficiently and more quickly? What can be done to prevent accidents? Okay. So yeah, and if you have more questions, please let me know. I hope this helps you guys out. I know it's kind of a crash overview, but let me know if you have questions. Thank you.